Hey everyone, welcome back to RichestSoft, where we turn your ideas into reality. Today, we're diving into a topic that's crucial for anyone looking to develop an app: prototype development costs. Every product goes through a prototype stage before the final version hits the market, but the big question is, how much does a prototype actually cost? Let's break down the costs, the key factors involved, and why prototyping is essential for your app's success. Before we get into the costs, let's first understand why prototypes matter. A prototype is like the first version of your product. It allows you to test and refine your idea before full-scale production. Prototypes help you refine your vision, bringing designers, developers, and clients together to get everyone on the same page. Detect problems early, spot issues before they grow into bigger challenges. Shape your product's functionality, ensuring everything works smoothly before you hit the final stages. In short, prototypes save you time and money by helping you address issues early on. But how much does it cost to get one made? Let's talk numbers. The cost of creating a prototype can vary widely based on several key factors. Here's a quick overview of what impacts the cost. Product type and design complexity. The more complex your product and design, the higher the cost. Basic prototypes can cost a few $100s, but more advanced ones can go up to several thousand. Platform. Will your app be on iOS, Android, or both? The platform plays a huge role in determining the development cost. Development time. The longer it takes to develop your prototype, the higher the cost. More features and more iterations will take more time, leading to higher costs. So, how do you estimate these costs? Let's break it down further. Here's how companies like RichestSoft estimate prototype costs. Stage 1. The get-together stage. This is where your idea begins to take shape. During this stage, developers and designers discuss the materials, time, and skills required, which will influence the final cost. Stage 2. Material costing. Developers will calculate the material costs, including the features and complexities. This is the first step in estimating the overall price. Stage 3. Hiring the right company. Every prototype needs a different skill set. Choosing the right app development company can greatly affect the cost, so make sure you go with a company that fits your budget and project needs. Stage 4. Risk estimation. Risks like design changes or material wastage can increase costs, so companies will factor these into their pricing. Now, let's look at different types of prototypes and their costs. Sketches and diagrams. These are the most basic prototypes, visualizing user flows and ideas. They're affordable, but serve an important purpose. Paper prototyping, a more detailed version that simulates basic interactions. Low-fidelity prototypes, digital versions with basic elements, great for team collaboration. Wireframes, a blueprint of your app, showing structure and layouts without going into the details. Medium-fidelity prototypes, more detailed than wireframes, useful for testing UI and visual elements. Mock UPS, these resemble the final product with specific UI elements like buttons and colors. High-fidelity prototypes, almost a near-final version, perfect for thorough testing and analysis. As you can see, the more detailed and functional the prototype, the higher the cost. But that investment can save you big in the long run. There are several key factors that influence the cost of your prototype. App complexity and features. The more features you add, like in-app purchases or geolocation, the higher the cost. Design and user experience, UX, a great user interface and smooth experience will need more time and effort. Testing and iterations. Proper testing ensures your prototype works smoothly, but it does come with additional costs. Development time. More time spent developing your prototype means more cost. So, to sum it up, factors like app complexity, design, and testing all impact the final price. To wrap things up, the average cost of developing a prototype can range from $5,000 to $15,000. Of course, more complex prototypes for large-scale apps can cost even more. But here's the thing, prototyping is an investment. It helps you refine your ideas, gather feedback, and ensure your app is on the right track before going into full-scale production. So, if you're looking for expert help in developing your prototype, RichestSoft is here for you. Let's turn your app idea into a reality. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights on app development. And if you're ready to develop your prototype, reach out to us at RichestSoft. We can help you build something amazing. See you in the next video.